China's military modernization has taken center stage in recent years, transforming the People's Liberation Army PLA into a formidable force with cutting-edge technologies and formidable war machines. As part of its strategic vision to rival global superpowers, China has invested heavily in developing a powerful array of military vehicles, both for land and air dominance. These machines are not just symbols of national pride, but active instruments of deterrence and tactical superiority across multiple theaters of warfare. From heavily armored tanks capable of withstanding direct anti-tank fire to high-speed stealth drones and multi-role infantry fighting vehicles, China's war machine reflects the country's rapid industrialization, technological advancement, and growing assertiveness on the global stage. These weapons are often showcased in military parades and used in joint exercises with allied nations, projecting China's hard power globally. What sets China apart is its ability to combine indigenous technology with reverse engineering and foreign partnerships. Many of the PLA's current platforms are evolutions of Soviet and Western designs, adapted to meet Chinese strategic goals. Others are entirely homegrown innovations. In this documentary, we will dive deep into the top 10 most powerful military vehicles of the PLA. Each entry will explore its development, firepower, capacity, battle history, strategic importance, and the nations that might have adapted its technology. Whether you're a defense enthusiast, a military analyst, or just curious about China's warfighting capabilities, this documentary offers an exhaustive look at the iron fists of the PLA. 1. Type 99A main battle tank. Came into service early 2000s. Type 99 entered service in 2001. Upgraded to 99A in 2011. Manufacturer, China North Industries Group Corporation, Norinco. Weight and speed, approximately 58 tons. Maximum road speed 80 kilometers per hour. Armament, 125mm smoothbore cannon. Anti-tank guided missiles ATG MIS, 12.7mm and 7.62mm machine guns. Firepower and capability. Fire on the move capability. Explosive reactive armor era, thermal sights, laser rangefinders, digital fire control system. Battle testing. Not yet combat tested, but deployed in joint exercises and border patrols. Adoption. Primarily used by the PLA ground force, no foreign operators. Function. Frontline armored warfare, deterrent against armored threats, advanced tank duels. ZBDO for A infantry fighting vehicle IFV. Came into service 2006. Manufacturer, Norinco. Weight and speed, approximately 30 tons. Max speed 65 kilometers per hour. Armament, 100mm rifle gun, 30mm coaxial cannon, ATG and launcher. Firepower and capability, amphibious capabilities, composite armor, modern battle network integration. Battle testing, seen in extensive training drills and joint force maneuvers. Adoption, PLA ground forces, no known export versions. Function, troop transport and support, mechanized infantry missions. 3. BHLO-3 multiple rocket launcher system MRLS. Came into service 2004. Manufacturer, Norinco. Range, up to 150 kilometers. Firepower, 12 launch tubes 300mm, GPS guided and cluster warhead options. Battle testing, used in live-fire drills near Taiwan Strait and Tibetan Plateau. Adoption, low rocket forces. Function, suppressive artillery fire, area saturation, anti-fortification warfare. 4. ZDZ-96B main battle tank, came into service, 2016 variant of earlier Type 96. Manufacturer, Norinco. Weight and speed, 40 to 0.5 tons. 65 kilometers per hour max. Armament, 125mm smoothbore cannon. Secondary machine guns. Firepower, dynamic armor upgrades, improved mobility, automated loader. Battle tested, widely used in international tank biathlons and PLA drills. Adoption, backbone tank of PLA armored regiments. Function, armored maneuver warfare, secondary tank units. 5. HQ-9 surface-to-air missile system. Came into service, 2007. Manufacturer, China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC. Range, approximately 200 kilometers. HQ-9B variant. Functionality, multi-layered air defense, anti-ballistic missile capability. Battle-tested, stationed in South China Sea, deployed during Taiwan Strait exercises. Adoption, exported to Pakistan FD-200 variant, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. Vehicle 6, DBDO-4A Infantry Fighting Vehicle IFV. Came into service, 2006 origin, China. Type, amphibious infantry fighting vehicle. Firepower, 100mm cannon, 30mm autocannon, coaxial 7.6 mm machine gun, NHJ-73 CATGM launcher. Capacity, crew of 3, carries 7 fully equipped infantry. Battle-tested, seen in live-fire exercises and extensively deployed in South China Sea regions. Other nations using it, exclusive to China. The ZBDO-4A is the upgraded version of the original ZBDO-4, designed for both land warfare and amphibious assaults. With advanced sensors, night vision, and digital fire control systems, it bridges the gap between an IFV and a light tank. Its amphibious capacity allows it to support naval landing operations, making it a vital asset for PLA Marines and ground forces. Vehicle 7, Type 05 Amphibious Armored Vehicle. Came into service, 2006, origin, China. Type, Amphibious Assault Vehicle. Firepower, 105mm rifle gun ZDDO-5, 30mm autocannon ZBDO-5 variant, and machine guns. Capacity, crew of 3, carries 8 Marine ZBDO-5 IFV variant battle-tested, regularly used in PLA amphibious training missions. Other nations using it, exclusive to China. Part of the Type 05 family, this vehicle is optimized for rapid sea-to-shore amphibious operations. Capable of high-speed water travel using water jets, it can be launched from amphibious assault ships. Its main gun variant ZDDO-5 allows for precision anti-armor capability, while the IFV version provides marine transport under fire. Vehicle 8, HQ-9 self-propelled surface-to-air missile system. Came into service, 2003 origin, China Type, long-range SAM system. Firepower, HQ-9B missiles range, 200 to 300 kilometers. Capacity, 8 missiles per TEL transporter erector launcher. Battle-tested, used in real-time tracking and intercept drills across multiple PLA exercises. Other nations using it, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Algeria. The HQ-9 is China's equivalent of the US Patriot or Russian S-300 systems. Mounted on an 8x8 heavy-duty truck, it can engage aircraft, UAVs, and cruise missiles. The system is networked with radars and command centers, offering a layered air defense capability. Vehicle 9, Type 96B main battle tank, came into service. 2016 Type 96 entered service in 1997 origin. China Type, main battle tank, firepower, 125mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing APFSDS, heat, and ATG MIS. Capacity, crew of 3 battle-tested, extensively showcased in international tank competitions, for example tank biathlon. Other nations using it, some models exported to Sudan and Bangladesh. The Type 96B is a modernized version of the earlier Type 96 tank, featuring a new fire control system, improved engine 1,000 to 100 horsepower, and modular armor. It's faster and more agile than previous Chinese MBTs, designed for high mobility combat in both urban and open terrains. Vehicle 10, the F-117L transporter erector launcher for hypersonic glide vehicle. Came into service, 2019 origin, China Type, hypersonic glide vehicle launcher. Firepower, The F-17 missile equipped with the FCF hypersonic glide vehicle range, approximately 1,500 kilometers. Capacity, single missile propelled battle tested, displayed during 2019 National Day Parade, ongoing testing and military drills. Other nations using it, non-proprietary block tech. The DF-17 represents China's cutting-edge leap into hypersonic weaponry. Mounted on a tail, the missile can reach speeds over Mach 5, gliding unpredictably toward targets. It's nearly impossible to intercept with current missile defense systems. Designed to strike high-value targets such as command centers and airfields with pinpoint accuracy. The People's Liberation Army's military might is more than a show of numbers. It is a representation of China's strategic ambition, engineering capabilities, and geopolitical assertion. The top 10 war machines we explored demonstrate a wide range of lethal applications across land, air, and sea. Each vehicle serves a unique purpose, from frontline armored assaults to long-range precision strikes and troop mobility across complex terrains. More than just instruments of war, these machines symbolize a nation's push toward becoming a dominant global power. While many of them remain battle-tested in real conflict, the PLA strategically deployed them across sensitive regions, sent clear signals to adversaries, and built a war-ready deterrent force. China's military-industrial complex shows no signs of slowing, promising even more advanced iterations in the years to come. This documentary has explored the formidable arsenal that powers the PLA's growing influence. For analysts, enthusiasts, and those invested in global security affairs, understanding these machines provides insight into modern military strategy and future warfare trends. Stay tuned as we continue our series into the evolving face of military power across other global forces.